Apple's Spring 2025 bands are here, and they're turning heads. Bold colors, eco-friendly vibes, and a perfect match for your sleep apnea tracking watch. Want the hottest wrist upgrade of the year? Let's dive in. Hey tech fam, Apple just unleashed its Spring 2025 Apple Watch band collection today, and wearable fans are buzzing. We're breaking down the fresh looks and why they're a must-have. Let's roll. Picture this: vibrant woven sport loops in periwinkle and sage, $49 each, popping with spring energy. Then there's the braided solo loop, $99 in tangerine and aquamarine, rocking 68% recycled content. Eco-friendly? Check. Apple's doubling down with carbon-neutral options like the Milanese loop in new shades. These beauties just launched, and X is lit. Best bands yet, especially since they pair perfectly with sleep apnea tracking models like the Series 9, 10, and Ultra 2. Style meets smarts. Why the hype? These bands scream 2025. Think bold patterns, earthy tones, and sustainability that vibes with the planet. The woven designs are lightweight, breathable, perfect for workouts or sleep tracking. Speaking of, if you've got a Series 10 or Ultra 2, these bands complement that FDA-cleared sleep apnea feature, looking good while monitoring your health. At $49 to $99, they're a steal to refresh your watch without breaking the bank. These bands dropped and stock is moving fast. Periwinkle sport loop for a chill vibe, or tangerine braided for a bold flex. They're built for every mood and every model. Spring's here. Why not level up your wrist game? Which band's your favorite, woven or braided? Drop it in the comments.